Lahat tayo may pangarap sa pamilya na hindi na maipapasa ang kahirapan sa next generation, kundi blessings at opportunity ang may iwan natin. Proverbs 13:22 says, "A good person leaves an inheritance to their children's children." Ang tunay na success, hindi lang yung kaya mong mabuhay ngayon, kundi yung kayong buong pamilya ang aangat. God's plan isn't just daily survival, it's legacy building. From sweldo to overflow. From temporary wins to multi-generational blessings. Today, declare this with faith. Sa amin nagtatapos ang kahirapan at sa amin magsisimula ang yaman. Be wise, be faithful, build with God, blessed to be a blessing. Comment mo dyan, legacy starts with me. Like and follow for more Bible-based money wisdom. God bless.